to the LAN, then nearby almost 10 to 15 rooms, you may be losing your connectivity with the internet. Somebody is having their personal router, which activates the DHCP, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, and you will not be getting pool of IP address. So the internet will be affected by that. Check nearby room, anybody is there. The instruction has already been given. If you found using your personal router, then it will be totally confiscated. The instruction has been given. Even after that, when students do use their personal router, this is the main reason. Tushar, I hope you understood it. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay then. Let us start what we have studied in the previous session. Anybody, please tell me.
So we did computer memory. We started with computer memory.
Okay, and we had seen last point, that is SRAM and DRAM difference. Correct, na?
Yes, yes,
The
sir.
RAM and ROM difference also.
Yeah, that is also done. These are the points, RAM and ROM. That is the difference we have seen. Then afterwards, flash memory also we have covered. Read-only memory, types of read-only memory, RAM grid, dynamic RAM, static RAM. This is the tree diagram for memory. These are all the points that we have covered. Now we are starting with the new point that is called as a software. Anybody please tell me what is software? Can you elaborate? What is software? You can read the screen. There also you are getting an answer, a clue. Come on, who is going to tell me? Hello?
So which is inside the computer or which we cannot touch physically.
Okay. Anybody else want to give some different answer? Hello? Nobody. Can you see the screen? Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
At least you read it. Something is there. Some clue is there. Anybody please tell me.
It functions the computer. Programs that function the computer.
Yes. Software is nothing but it's like a soul of the computer. Whenever we are talking about computer, it is divided into two different parts. What are these different parts? Let us see one by one. Computer is divided into hardware, and second one is software. Hardware is nothing but what? Motherboard, processor, CPU, keyboard, mouse, system unit. All these things are called as hardware that you can physically see. Software is nothing but set of instruction, group of programs or functions which will be accelerating hardware, and it is becoming an interface between user and the computer. That is called as software. Software is programs, set of programs. So who is going to define software? Hello.
Software is a set of programs that governs the function of a computer.
That's correct. Absolutely right. So software is a set of instructions used to perform a specific task. This is the purpose of a software. So software is divided into two different categories. First one is system software. Second one is application software. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. In system software, let us see. Your Android operating system, Android, is also software, but this is coming under system software, which in turn, it is nothing but system management program. Android operating system. iOS, that is Macintosh operating system. After that, Windows operating system. You may be knowing different flavors of Windows, like Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows Longhorn, Windows Vista, then Windows 7, Windows 8, 10, Windows 11 right now currently we are using. So these are the different versions of Windows. Along with that, we are having Linux operating system. This is also called as Linux operating system. Okay. Then afterwards, you are having Unix operating system. Then you are having disk operating system, DOS. They are all called as system software, which are in turn called as system management software. Then afterwards, whenever you are purchasing any computer, you will be getting a CD with the motherboard. Do you know that? What is that? This is called as device driver CD. So drivers are installed. For example, if you are having graphics card, then graphics card driver is installed over there on your system. Then system utility programs like antivirus and all these things are there, backup and everything. They are coming under system software, system management software. Is it clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next one is developing software. Whenever you are doing any programming, for example, if I'm opening over here, I'm clicking here, and you can see here Spider, Anaconda Navigator, PyCharm, Jupyter Notebook, Visual Studio Code, MATLAB programming, then MS SQL Server, that SQL programming, MySQL programming. All these programming softwares are coming under development software. These are also called as system softwares. Okay, so programming languages like C, C++, Java, C Sharp, linker, loader, assembler, compiler, they are coming under developing software, but they are part of system software only. Done it? Clear? Anybody want to ask any question? Please go ahead. Yaduvar, thank you. Now, next part is application software. You may be playing this Counter-Strike game. Have you seen that? Have you seen that game, Counter-Strike?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In Project IGI.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then afterwards, PUBG, which is recent game which has been launched. Unreal Tournament Epic Edition. Okay. Then afterwards, Minecraft. Anybody played Minecraft?
Yes, sir.
All these are called as application software. These are called as application software. For typing and all, you are using Notepad. You are using Word, MS Word, PowerPoint, Excel. They are also called as application software. So you can see here, application softwares are used to perform a specific application task. They are general purpose software like word processor, presentation, spreadsheet, image editor, like Paint, Paint Shop, like this. Next one is specific purpose software like reservation system, attendance system, billing system, report card system, then flight booking system. Then you are having Swiggy, then you are having this McDonald app, then you will be having this Domino's app, Zomato app, Ola, OLX. These are called as specific purpose softwares. Is it clear?
Yes.
Any queries? If you have any query, please let me know. We'll discuss upon it. Let's move ahead then. Come on, tell me. If you are installing IRCTC booking app on your phone, what kind of software it is? It is a system software, general purpose software, or what?
So which software?
IRCTC ticket booking, railway ticket booking.
Application.
Application.
Application software, and this is moreover specific one.
Specific.
Okay. Suppose if you want to type anything, edit image in Photoshop, then which type of application software is that?
General purpose.
General purpose.
General purpose, absolutely right. Suppose your mic is not working and you have installed the driver. How to install the driver? I will just let you know. Where to go? Here I have to type control panel. Can you see here control panel?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Under control panel, go to any of this. Like where do I go? Let's go for printers and all these things. Where is it? There is other way also. There is no problem. We can go with that method also. Can you look at printers and this one? I can't find it. Okay. Second method, let us see that one. Right click over here, this PC, and go to manage. Okay. Now I'll be opening this new window. Can you see that? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Under this, you are having device manager. Under this device manager, suppose my USB camera is not working. So I'll be uninstalling this driver device and updating the driver or enabling the device. This software is called as what? Is it a system software, application software?
System software.
Yes, this is system software. Absolutely correct. So any driver we are installing, that is coming under system software. I hope that this point is clear. Anybody, any
Yes, sir.
other queries, please?
No, sir.
Done. So let's move ahead now. So system software is particularly very close to hardware, which is directly interacting with the hardware. This is the biggest advantage of system software. Okay. The software manages the computer hardware behavior. Hardware behavior is being managed by this software functionalities, and whatever may be the user's requirement, it will fulfill it. It is an interface between user and the hardware. So examples for operating system, this system software is operating system, device drivers, and all these things. The computer software sanctions the platform to environment for the software to work in. Means application softwares are running on the system software. Remember this. The system software runs in the background. We cannot directly access it, and it will be on the lower level. So whenever you are purchasing any hardware, this is a hardware. Above that hardware, you are having operating system, that is system software. And above that, you are having API, application program interface. The system software is further divided into like operating system. This is your hardware. Above this hardware, you are having kernel. Above this kernel, you will be having here what? Shell. And above shell, you are having this application program interface. This is how the operating system look like. And application softwares are general purpose or specific purpose. For any requirement as per the user's requirement, they are going to be installed. But above which software we are installing it, by default operating system is required. Then operating system is system software, means system software is providing all the resources to application software. Anybody want to ask anything? Come on, tell me.
No, sir.
Mark this question as very, very, very important. Many a time in examination, this has been asked. 5 marks, 5 points. Now read one by one. Nilesh, Paras, can you read it? First point. Sahaj, Sarthak, Tushar, Om
Yes,
Priyam.
sir.
Will you please read it, Tushar, one by one?
So system software is used for operating computer hardware. Application software is used by user to perform specific tasks. System softwares are installed on computer when operating system is installed. Application softwares are installed according to user's requirement. In general, the user does not interact with system software because it works in the background. In general, the user interacts with application software. System software can run independently. It provides platform for running application software. Application software can't run independently. It can't run without the presence of system software. Some examples of system software are computer assembler, debugger, driver, etc. Some examples of application software are word processor, web browser, media player, etc.
Okay, something is missing over here. Shall we add operating system also over here? Can
Yes,
we?
sir.
So mark this question as very, 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 very important. Surely for the examination it will come. लिख लेना मेरे से. Now we are coming over here to the new era. That is nothing but languages. Okay, so I will be asking you one question. Ahad, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you write down alif, be, te, se, and all these things? Do you know that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what I'm talking, anybody else got it? What I mean to say?
No, sir.
Yeah,
No, sir.
that's the thing. I was talking about Urdu language. Okay. Tushar,
Yes, sir.
ni parenti,
No, sir.
you don't understand. I'm talking in Telugu. So why you don't understand? Because you don't know that language. So for communication, what is important? Okay. For communication, what is important? Come on, tell me.
Knowledge of language.
Like this computer also, we are having different types of languages to express, to give instructions to the computer. For computer, we are having different types of language. First language, that is called as binary language. Binary language, or this is also called as machine level language. Okay. Machine level language. Second one is what? Assembly level language. Level language. Third one is high level language. I hope that these points are clear. In computer languages, these are divided into three categories. So what is binary language? We have already seen it. Come on, who is going to tell me?
1 and zeros.
Yes, absolutely correct. Perfect. Thank you. So the language which is made up of zeros and ones, that is called as binary language. First point. This is the fastest language in the world. So that the computer fastest language in the world. Okay. Next one. Debugging and error removal. Error elimination is very difficult. Now, suppose if you are writing zeros and ones code of 1 million line, and suppose on line number 10,000, this one is replaced with 0. Are you going to debug that program easily? Is it possible?
No, sir.
That's why debugging is very difficult. And second one is it's not user friendly. It's not user friendly. What is happening? It's not user friendly. These are the drawbacks of binary level language. I hope that this point is clear.
Yes, sir.
But computer understands directly binary language. Computer understands binary language only. Binary language. Clear? Done. Next language is called as assembly level language. It is using English word like instructions. It uses English word like instructions. What are the English word like instructions? Example, add, subtract, jump, then go to, like this. But my question to all of you is that what computer understands? Hello? Computer को क्या समझ में आता है? Which language is understood by computer?
Binary, sir.
Binary.
Binary. That's why we require a translator. So you'll be having assembly level language. So we will be using assembler. Assembler. It converts assembly level language code to binary language. This is called as assembler. Assembler. It converts assembly level language code into binary code. I hope that this is clear.
Yes.
So what are different types of assembler do we have? Turbo assembler, Microsoft assembler, like this. These are the examples of assembly level language. What is the biggest drawback of this assembly level language? It has what? Unconditional jumping. Unconditional jumping. Like go to. That is the biggest drawback of this assembly level language. Then, fifth one is no code reusability. No code reusability is the biggest drawback. And sixth one is not user friendly. Is it clear, students? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
These are the drawbacks of assembly level language. I hope that this is also clear to all of you. If any query, expecting answers 1 or 2 from you, please tell me if you are having any query. Done it? Next one is called as high level language. Now we'll be seeing high level language one by one. High level language. High level language. Here we are having examples of high level language. C, C++, Python, Java, SQL, Go language by Google, Ruby, and all these things, etc. These are the examples of high level language. But in case of high level language, we are using two terminologies. First one is compiler. Second one is interpreter. What is that? Compiler converts high level language to code. High level language code. Compiler. High level language code is converted into binary. Okay. Then interpreter. What interpreter does? This is also working same. Just give me 1 second. Here we are having interpreter. It is also converting high level language code into binary level language code line by line. Line by line. This is in one go. This is the main difference between compiler and interpreter. Then which are the languages those who are having compiler? Here we are having example 3 compiler oriented languages like C, C++, okay, J Sharp, okay. Next one is assembler oriented languages, sorry, interpreter oriented languages. Interpreter oriented languages are
Python.
VB.NET and languages those who are having both compiler as well as interpreter plus interpreter. They are Java, C Sharp, Python, Go language. Is it clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So these are the languages those who are having both compiler as well as interpreter. I hope that this point is clear to all of you. Anybody is having any query? Please do ask. Hello.
No, sir.
No query? So I'm giving you 10 minutes time. Write down a question. You just write down answer over there. Can you share your photo in the chat box? Means the snapshot you have taken for the notes. What do you mean by software? This is the first question. What do you mean by software? Explain in details different types of software. 10 marks. First question. Second question. Write short note on what? Different types of computer languages. Computer languages. Write short note on compiler, interpreter, and assembler. Then next one is what? What we have seen? Assembler हो गया, हाँ. Languages हो गया, softwares हो गया. This is also done. Done. Okay. Distinguish between, differentiate between system, software, and application software. Very important question. So these are the 4 questions. You have to write notes on that one. Will you please do that? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So waiting for your answer. WhatsApp group already has been created. I'm giving you 15 minutes time to do that. Come on, open your notebook and do it quickly. Come on, fast. You can take a snapshot for your reference. Take this high level language snapshot. Done it? Let me paste it over there. I don't think it is taking snapshot. No, it's not taking snapshot. Have you taken the snapshot of this high level language?
Yes, sir.
Done. Next one. Take this snapshot assembly level language. Taken.
Yes, sir.
Next one is binary level language. Done.
Yes, sir.
Please continue now and make a PDF and send it to me on WhatsApp. Unit number 2 is over. Can you see this? Hello. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
So in unit number 2, explain detailed memory, secondary memory, backup memory, cache memory, real and virtual memory. That is done. Explain in detail software and programming technique, machine language, assembly level language, high level language, compiler, assembler and interpreter. So unit number 2 is over. From the next class, we'll be starting with e-commerce. In e-commerce, we'll be studying what is EDI, types of e-commerce, then afterwards cyber cache, digital cache, concerns of e-commerce and all. After that, we are having MS Office related thing. That is the unit, and after that, we will be having final unit, that is Python programming. In Python programming, we'll be studying many Python related code, programs, and fundamentals of Python. Once it is over, the syllabus is over. Is it clear? So don't worry about the syllabus completion. I want everybody should be more than 90 marks in this subject. Do I clear myself? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So
yes,
90,
sir.
90 सपोज यहाँ पे मिले, 90 वहां पे प्रैक्टिकल में मिले, कितने बनेंगे बताओ मुझे?
180.
180 परसेंटेज निकालो, कितना मिलेगा? 90% हो गया. It will boost your percentage like anything. I'm telling you minimum 90 to everybody. So many of the students will be there, those who will be earning more than 95, 96, 100 out of 100. That is also possibility. Choices of yours. This subject will be giving you huge boost in increasing your percentage. So don't take this subject lightly. Have you started writing?
Yes, sir.
Please go ahead. Waiting for your answers. If any query in between, you can ask. Have you done it? Hello, students. I have given you sufficient time. Anybody?
So first,
Almost done, sir. Almost.
The writing.
Okay, then you do one thing, you write it and send it on WhatsApp group that we have created. Okay,
Yes, sir. We'll send it. Yes, sir.
let us see. And depending upon that one only, I will take attendance. Okay. If you are not able to send, I will mark you absent. I'm helpless. So thank you so much for attending the session. God bless you all. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir.